In this step, we're going to go over how to handle the adhesive back Dacron pieces. These are the shapes of the parts. This is the paper backing peeled off, so just so you can see it a little easier. The parts are on these two sheets. We have the Dacron face up, the adhesive, the paper backing, the release papers on the back, and what we're going to do now is separate the parts from the paper. As you can see, there's some of the material, or the paper is scored all the way through. So what I do is take the work with the adhesive, with the Dacron fabric face up, and start just pulling the paper off from around the piece. And there's one part, and we just there we are. Now you can see how many parts you need to remove the Dacron from the hole. I use my diagonal cutters to pick out that little bit of fabric in the hole. Bend it back a little bit with your fingers. Like that, and there. And there's the adhesive on the tip of my, or the Dacron I should say, on the tip of the diagonal cutters. We want to do that to all the parts that have holes, and you can see that. In this step I'm going to show you how to work with adhesive Dacron. The adhesive on the Dacron parts is very aggressive, very tacky, and what we have to do to create the reinforcement pockets for this kite, we have to put these two tabs together and also stick them onto the fabric of the sail. So what we do is that with the fabric up and the backing paper, release paper down, I take the fabric and pull it away from the paper, and then fold the paper down to expose the holes, and leave the paper on just expose the holes. Do that to your other part. Expose the holes, fold the paper down. Now take these pieces, go paper to paper, and you can slide these around, and you can get everything to line up. We want these edges to line up all the way around, and we want the holes to line up. So once you have everything all lined up, just pinch the paper together without sliding the parts around. Pinch the paper, and as you pinch, the adhesive will come together. And there's the holes all lined up. We have a little bit of a tab started. Go ahead and open the parts up this way. Fold back the paper to where the tab starts making a transition. Peel back that point. We now have the tab, adhesive, paper. Take this, hold on to the tab, hold it down to the table, and work your way down to the fold of the paper. So what we've now created is this little duck bill. There's release paper here, the tabs, and the fabric tab with the adhesive sticking together. This is the best way to handle adhesive back Dacron, because you're never touching the adhesive. You're always holding on to either fabric or paper.